Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free Faphouse tokens. So just go over to zestcoupons.com. You can see it says Faphouse free tokens. And you just press get code and then you can get a promo code. So you just want to press show coupon and wait for it to load. So yeah, let's just wait for it to load right here as you can see. So it says coupons ready, so just press get full code. And now you just need to fill out your email address and some stuff like that. Pretty boring. I won't show you my email for privacy. But anyway, after you enter your email, just press continue, and you can see it says activating your reward. So basically, you have to fill out a survey and some stuff to get your Faphouse tokens. But other than that, it fully works. So let's see. You can see it says we're generating your reward. So please register next. Alright, so I just gotta register, gotta fill this out. So then after you do that, you'll get your Faphouse tokens. You might have to do a survey too, but it's fairly easy. So I'll see you guys later. Be a subscribe if you guys want to get the tokens. So yeah, just go over to the zestcoupons.com, and once you're there, just type in Faphouse. And there it is, Faphouse free tokens. So that's how you do it. So be sure to try it out. Super awesome. Fully works on iOS and Android. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'll see you guys later. Be a subscribe because this is super awesome. And it fully works on iOS and Android. So I know a lot of people want tokens for free and they don't know how to get them. So that's why I made this video for you guys. So pretty cool, right? So I'll see you guys later. Subscribe. Get the word out. This actually works. It's how you get free Faphouse tokens 2025, guys. So peace out. This is so cool, bro.